S and R are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. They decide to admit B into the partnership with 1/3 share. B brings 30,000 as his capital. He brings necessary amount of goodwill his share of goodwill. On the date of admission, goodwill has been valued 24,000. This is firm's goodwill on the admission of B, and the goodwill account already appear in the books is rupees 12,000. This is the old goodwill which is appeared in the balance sheet. This old goodwill is to be written off among old partners in old ratio. The entry for this purpose would be date. First of all, we will write date, particular, LF, amount, debit, amount, credit. The old goodwill is 12,000. It would be written off among old partners. S's capital account debit, then R's capital account debit to goodwill. To goodwill, the amount is 12,000. This 12,000 would be distributed among old partners in the ratio 3:2. The amount that as would be debited is 7,200 and 4,800, being old goodwill written off. Goodwill written off among old partners in old ratio. Written off among old partners in old ratio. Here V comes, he brings goodwill. For this purpose, we will calculate new ratio, sacrifice ratio. S and R are partner, 3:2 is old ratio, V is admitted for 1/3 share. We assume firm's share is 1. Remaining share is after B's share is 1 minus 1/3, 2/3. This would be taken by S and R. S's new share is 2/3 into 3/5. Two by 5. R's new share is 2/3 into 2/5. 4/15. S, R, and B. Their new ratio is 2/5, 4/15, and 1/3. We take LCM, then the ratio is 6:4:5. Now we will calculate sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice of S is equal to old share is 3/5, new share is 6/15, LCM is 15, 9 minus 6, 3/15. How we will calculate sacrifice of R? 2/5 minus 4/15, LCM is 15, 6 minus 4, the amount is 2/15. So sacrifice ratio is between S and R is 3:2. Goodwill. Firm's goodwill is 24,000, which is given in the question. Firm's goodwill is 24,000. and V's share is 24,000 into 1 by 3, that is 8,000. Now we will pass journal entries. The journal entries would be cash account debit. So you may write bank account to B's capital account to premium for goodwill. Cash account debited with the amount with capital, that is 30,000 plus 8,000 premium for goodwill. Total amount is 38,000. Being new partner brings capital, यानी कि B brings capital and premium for goodwill. Brings capital and premium for goodwill. The next entry is premium for goodwill account debit. Premium for goodwill account debit 8,000 to S's capital to R's capital. This would be distributed among these partners in the ratio 3:2. The amount is 48,000 and 4,800 and 3,200. Being premium for goodwill is distributed among old partners in ratio 3:2. The next topic is hidden goodwill. Sometimes goodwill is not given. In that case, we have to calculate goodwill. How we can calculate goodwill? This is the question related with the calculation of goodwill. H and N are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. Their capital is 8 lakh and 5 lakh respectively. They admit S into the firm on 1st April 2017 as a new partner for 1/5 share in future profit. S brought 6 lakh as his capital and calculate value of goodwill of the firm and necessary journal entries on S admission. First of all, S's capital, S share is 1/5. His capital for 1/5 share is 6 lakh. On the behalf of his capital, firm's capital would be 6 lakh into 5 by 1, that is 30 lakh. But if we calculate actual capital of all these partners, these three partners is H's capital is 8 lakh, N's capital is 5 lakh, and new partner S capital is 6 lakh. The whole amount is, we plus it, then the whole amount is 19 lakh. But S is giving, it means S is giving more amount. So difference between firm's capital and actual capital, that is goodwill. Goodwill is 11 lakh. This is goodwill of the firm. This is goodwill of the firm, that is 11 lakh, and the share of new partner in this goodwill, new partner in this goodwill, 11 lakh into 1 by 5, the amount is 2,20,000. Share, old partner share is 3:2. Old partners are H and N. H and N's share is 3:2. New partner is S. S's share is 1 by 5. We assume firm's share is 1. That would be calculated as we have calculated before. Remaining share after S's share. Remaining share after S share is 1 minus 1 by 5, that is 4 by 5. Now H's share in H's new share is 4 by 5 into 3 by 5. The amount is 12 by 25. N's new share is 4 by 5 into 2 by 5. The amount is 8 by 25. H, N and V. Sorry, S. New share is 12 by 25, 8 by 25 and 1 by 5. New ratio 12:8:5. If we calculate sacrifice ratio, then it would come 3:2. As the ratio is not changed, so sacrifice ratio you can calculate, that is old share minus new share, that would come 3:2. Now we will pass journal entries. New partner S is admitted. For this, we have to write date, particular, LF, amount, debit and amount credit. The entry would be cash count debit to S's capital, being S brought new capital, that is 6 lakh. Being S brought capital in the business, the second entry would be, as S is unable to bring his share of goodwill in cash, then the entry would be S's current account debit to H's capital to N's capital. The amount of goodwill is 2,20,000. This would be distributed among partners in the ratio 3:2. The amount would be 1,32,000. 1,32,000 and the other amount is 88,000. Being S's share of premium for goodwill is distributed among all partners. All partners in sacrifice ratio, that is 3:2. Here the full topic related with goodwill is